Hey guys, NavTV here with you, and today we're working on a GLA 250. This customer came to us, they wanted a reverse camera installed. We also sold them on we have an HDMI and integrated kit into this car as well. The first thing I'm going to show you is the Cam 6, which we added, which is a really good camera here. Great quality, high resolution camera. Go ahead and pop it in reverse, Tiago. I'll show you that. Okay, there it is, and the lines will turn with the steering wheel. It's reading CAN data to get that turning geometry. Okay, back in park, and we're back to factory. So we've added the HDMI, and to access that, you press and hold the clear button on the steering wheel or down by the knob, control knob. So the HDMI comes up right there. We have an adapter to lightning here to a phone, and you can see, and we got full screen HDMI. Now, this car doesn't factory come with auxiliary, but you can Bluetooth the audio to this car, so you'll get your audio through as well. You can do maps and YouTube and whatever else you want to do there. And that's pretty much it. This kit is the W205H along with the KIT 800. We have these in stock all the time. Give us a call, NavTV, sales at NavTV. Thanks for watching.